Right, so you've read through the notes on compressors, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how different types of compressors will not only manage the dynamics of your signal, but also add some sort of character or color to your sound. And I'm going to add the compressor on the lead vocal in this video. Now, in my sound career, I've worked with analog output gear and consoles from SSL, NE, Focusrite, Harrison, and Sony, all the way to API, AMIC, and Teletronics. And most analog equipment has been emulated in digital plug-in formats for today's modern technological world. Now, in Logic, there is a clean digital compressor, and then there are 6 different vintage emulations or emulations of vintage compressors, each with their own distinctive sound and response. Now, as we go through each compressor, you'll notice that the dynamic response will differ from model to model, even at the same settings. Each will respond differently according to its own original response character. So let me introduce you to each and give you a quick description. The Studio VCA. This one emulates the Focusrite Red compressor. It's a really versatile compressor. You can use it on a lot of different instruments. It gives a really clean, smooth, warm kind of character. Then you have the Studio FET and the Vintage FET, the Studio FET and the Vintage FET. Now, these two emulate the Yuri 1176 compressor. It gives you a warm and edgy sound. It can really help you dial in nice aggressive sounds for drums. Then we have the classic VCA, which is based on or emulates the DBX 160 and 165 compressors. These are really great for vocals. They add a nice subtle color and a bit of flattery to vocals. They can make your sound nice and warm and fat. And then we have the vintage VCA. And this one emulates the SSL Master Bus compressor. Now, I've worked with the SSL 4000G and 4000E consoles, and I can tell you that the reason they call this the glue is because that's exactly what that Master Bus compressor just seems to do. That SSL Master Bus compressor just helps to glue and gel a mix together. And then, of course, we have the digital version, a nice, clean digital version of compression here in Logic. So the final one that we have is the vintage Opto. It's a tube compressor. It's based on the classic Teletronics LA2A. And it's such a beautiful compressor for vocals. It really helps preserve the dynamics, even with quite extreme level management. It's a very musical compressor, and it really rounds out the tone, and yet it's warm and is quite a gentle compressor. Right. So mixing is both technical and creative, but probably the most important thing is really being able to hear what's going on in the mix, the different frequencies, what the different tools that you're using do to the sound, and how they either enhance or cause some sort of issues within the entire blend. So you have to really train your ears every single day. You need to do exercises and learn what to listen for. And this is what this video is about. So here we go. We're going to listen to how the different types of compressors not only manage the dynamics of the signal, but they also add character or color to the sound. And I'm going to just work through each of them. You'll notice that all the settings will be exactly the same for each compressor, although there might be different controls and different features available on each compressor. The settings, the threshold ratio and makeup gain will remain the same throughout. So here we go. I've kept the vocals in context. And I'm going to play you a good section of each so that you can really just hear the difference. You'll see me switch in the compressor and bypass it as well. And this is just a really great exercise for you to get used to the sound of different compressors. Right, here we go.
Forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing. would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing, when I see you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing, when I see you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing, when I see you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing, when I see you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Don't forget about me.
All right, what I'm going to do now is just add in the whole mix, and we're going to now listen to those same compressors. I'm just going to dial through each of them as the song is playing, and I hope that you'll be able to hear the difference. Keep watching this video and train your ears. At the bottom of your screen, you'll also see some descriptions of what is happening and what you should be listening to with each of the compressors. Here we go.
Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing, when I see you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Worry about it, it's secret. Don't worry about it, our feelings. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything, yeah. Worry about it, it's secret. Don't worry about it, our feelings. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything. Don't worry about it, it's secret. Don't worry about it, our feelings. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything, yeah. Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing, when I see you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I kissed you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, where you always hiding, where you always hiding. Worry about it, it's secret. Don't worry about it, our feelings. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything. Worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything, yeah. Worry about it, it's secret. Don't worry about it, our feelings. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything. Don't worry about it, it's secret. Don't worry about it, our feelings. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything. Don't worry about it, it's secret. I won't say anything, yeah. Don't forget about me, I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell
So the whole idea of this video is just to let you have a listen to the tonal character that the compressors bring in. Once you find the sound that you're looking for, then you're going to manipulate each of the controls to help it to sit in the mix. Right, I'll catch you again in the next video.